Hello everyone, and welcome back. Did you catch our video last week? Based on research from Harvard and the University of Pennsylvania, we discussed how to maximize human creativity by using generative AI as a designer and an interviewer. At the end of that video, we left you with one crucial warning: the risk of homogeneity. We noted that the more people use AI, the more their ideas start sounding alike. But here is the truth: that risk isn't just a problem on an individual level. The cutting-edge research we're introducing today reveals a far larger, and seemingly unavoidable future. What happens if researchers, businesses, and consumers worldwide all start relying on AI? According to a 2025 paper published in the Journal of Consumer Research, we are currently on a trajectory where generative AI moves from democratization to the trap of averageness, and finally to the collapse of the model. Last time, we talked about hope, how to use AI to boost creativity. Today, we're discussing the inevitable pitfalls that lie ahead. What if the idea you generate with AI today becomes the training data for tomorrow's AI? Eventually draining creativity from society as a whole? Imagine a future where every company uses the same AI tool and gets the exact same, mediocre answer. This is no longer science fiction. The paper outlines a shocking scenario where generative AI progresses from democratization to the trap of averageness, and finally to the collapse of the model. Let's look at these three stages in order. Phase 1: Democratization. What changed with the arrival of generative AI? Suddenly, data from people who were previously difficult to study, minorities, low-income groups, the elderly, are being incorporated into research for the first time. Also, consider someone who wants to be a fashion designer but lacks drawing skills. Previously, they might have given up. But now, anyone can realize an idea using AI. This is democratization. The representativeness of data dramatically improves. This is arguably the biggest benefit generative AI has brought us. Phase 2: The trap of averageness. However, this is where the problem starts. Generative AI is built to predict the most probable next word. This means it tends to produce only the most common, most agreeable, average answers. Imagine asking AI for a new product idea. What you get back are just the average characteristics of existing products. This only leads to safe, uninspired products. Innovation is born from non-average ideas, and AI is inherently bad at generating those. Phase 3: The collapse of the model. And this is the most terrifying phase. What happens if AI continues to learn from the data it generated itself? The paper gives an example using dog images. Initially, there were 6 different breeds. But as generations passed, it became dominated by only golden retrievers, and eventually, the model started generating something that wasn't even a dog. This is the collapse of the model. It's the phenomenon of AI drifting completely away from human sensibility and context. This trajectory gives rise to 2 critical challenges. Challenge 1: The data problem, amplification of bias. Democratization increased data quantity, but that data inherently contains real-world biases. Sexism, racism, and all forms of prejudice are being deeply embedded into the AI models. For instance, if you Google search images of an executive, you often see mostly men, despite the actual gender ratio. This is data bias at work. Challenge 2: The model problem, the loss of creativity. The trap of averageness strips creativity from the AI. Breakthrough, disruptive ideas are those furthest from the average. But AI cannot predict them. Furthermore, if the model collapse occurs, AI outputs become meaningless noise. It will no longer be able to simulate human behavior at all. In short, generative AI has a built-in contradiction. It increases the amount of data while decreasing the quality of that data. Think about it. When developing the next iPhone, if AI can only suggest the average of all previous smartphones, it will only result in a mediocre device. What we truly need are the insights from the non-average consumer that drive the next trend. So, what should we do? The paper provides 3 concrete solutions. Solution 1: Returning to human-centric research. Now that data is abundant, we must focus on what only humans can truly grasp. Emotion, intent, internal conflict, the movements of the human mind that AI cannot quantify. This must be the core of our research. The key is leveraging the marginalized data gained through democratization to uncover niche insights that were previously invisible in existing datasets. Solution 2. Teaching AI to be unique. There are technical approaches as well. Fine-tuning, recalibrating the AI with task-specific data or data from unique consumer behaviors. Prompt engineering, when querying AI, demand the most radical answer, or the most emotional answer, rather than the most common one. By doing so, we can derive creative, non-average insights. This research suggests that combining 70 to 80% of AI's insights with 20 to 30% of human insight is the most effective approach. Solution 3. Teaching AI the theory of mind. This is the most fundamental solution. Theory of mind, the ability to infer the intentions, beliefs, and emotions of others. We must incorporate this into AI. Current AI only recognizes patterns. But if it can understand human emotion and intent, AI can transcend being a mere tool and become a true empathic collaborator. The future of generative AI is balanced between hope and danger. The possibility brought by democratization, on one hand. On the other, the two threats of the trap of averageness and model collapse. What this paper teaches us is the importance of viewing AI not just as a tool, but as a mirror for our research, and adhering to human-centric principles. AI's evolution won't stop. But the course it takes is steered by us, humanity. The question is not about being dominated by AI, but about how we design a future where we grow alongside it. This paper provides the roadmap for maximizing this revolutionary technology to build a better future for consumers and society. Thank you for watching. What are your thoughts on this paper's claims? Please share your opinions in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more fascinating research like this. See you in the next video.